Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Wednesday, August 10th, 2016. We'll take a look at the markets today, down ever so slightly. We are seeing a late day surge back up. This has been a commonality. In fact, if you look at the previous 3 days this week, right at 2 o'clock, 1400 hours, the bottom is put in and then we float up into the close. So what you're seeing is average investors, in my opinion, buying the market late in the day, always expecting us to make new highs the previous day. Now, eventually that will wane and we will see that stop, but the markets need to be pounded for people to get fearful enough not to play the buy the dip mentality. And that's what it is. So again, look at this. Monday, bought it up into the close. Tuesday, 2 o'clock, right on the button, 1400 hours, bought it up. Here, look at this, 1400 hours, bought it up, and we only have about 35 minutes remaining in the day. Markets again rallying back. Now, today, something big happened in my analysis that I think is worth noting. See this trend line here? This beautiful trend line right here. All right, so if I zoom out, you can see from this pivot high to this little low to this and then to this yesterday. It's actually a head and shoulders pattern right here. We broke that and we have stayed below it. So into the close, I'm watching this area right here. If we recapture it, that would be bullish for tomorrow. If we stay below, it is bearish. So we will keep an eye on that, and very, very intriguing in terms of watching what this market could potentially be setting up for tomorrow. So very, very important. Now, the markets fell into the 200 moving average here. Very obvious a bounce level. Right here, I have a trend line, and this was an obvious bounce level as well, and I want to show you why. Just zoom out very simply. Look at the opening print from Friday's non-farm payrolls number. When the market opened on Friday after the non-farm payrolls bullish report, a lot more jobs were created than expected. Look at that level, and I put a trend line right there. Look at the low of today. So on a technical basis, you have to marvel at the beauty of this market. And this is why trendline analysis is number one by far out there. And again, just simply put, you can see here, markets broke this level after hammering on it once, twice, 3 times going back. We went to the 200. We bounced up back into that level, which also was the 20 moving average right there. You then came down to a lower low, which happened to be what we call gap window, the opening print from Friday. And then we're rallying again up, and your short-term target is going to be the 50 MA and this level right here. So again, very intriguing price action here. To me, we are seeing some signals that could be telling us the market's getting weaker. Number one, the SMH is down over 0.5% today. That has been one of the strongest ETFs, the semiconductor ETF. Look at the daily chart here. Look at this crazy run up. So that's been weak today, which is a signal to me that stocks could be getting weak. And also the biotechs. Biotechs are up 25% before the recent fall. Look at the fall today, down over almost 2%. Big fall on biotech. You have support down here. That'll be the big test. My guess is we hit that tomorrow, and we will figure out if this market's going to hold that level. But really, guys, amazing stuff right here to watch. And again, overall, I'm watching very closely where the S&P closes today based on the trend line I showed you on the intraday chart there. All right, bottom line is come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Let's keep rocking it, making money,